Pack, move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Belmont Local and Long Distance Movers Near. Me, Belmont Local, 3 Movers, have years of experience relocating residents in the city. We can quickly move your household goods around the different road networks because we know the area. We are also knowledgeable about any local laws or ordinances that may be in effect. You will be able to concentrate on settling into your new home rather than worrying about the practicalities of the move when you hire MA Movers to handle your local relocation. The movers will do the packing, loading, and unloading. We guarantee that your possessions are carefully packed and transported. Local Belmont 3 Movers can manage the work if you're moving within Belmont. However, you'll require Belmont Long Distance 3 Movers if you're leaving Belmont or Massachusetts. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belmont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.